By the end of this video, you're going to know how to play Norwegian Wood by the Beatles. First I'll run through it, then I'll show you how it's played. That's your verses, and the choruses are... Playing with the capo on the 2nd fret. Check your tuning. Okay, so we're using a D shape, just a normal open D chord shape. And we use our little finger and our first finger to do a bit of walking while leaving the other fingers staying right put. Okay, so we're going to go. Then we're hammering onto the 6th fret, but I'm going to refer to it as the 4th fret because it's the 4th fret up from your capo. Okay, so we're going to hammer on our little finger here. And then right back to the D. And then we're taking our first finger off. And then the little finger goes down on our 4th fret, kind of on the D string. So. Then we're going to hammer on the D string on the 2nd fret and hook the G string open. So far we've got... And then our little finger goes back on that 4th fret again. And then back to a D chord. Our middle finger is going to come up. We're going to hammer on the 3rd fret on the A string. And then an open G. So as you're hammering on, your first finger comes off, because the first finger is now going to walk down to the 2nd fret. And an open. And what you've got to try and do is add a little bit of strumming in between. So you'd be going. And then the other bits are the she asked me to stand anywhere. So I looked around and I noticed there wasn't a chair. And those are just chords, so there's a D minor shape. She asked me to stay and she told me to sit anywhere. G, where? And then back to D minor. So I looked around and I noticed there wasn't a G. And then an A7, and then we transition through to those intro and verse chords with an A7 sus4, and then you're just moving your first finger and your middle finger back to the D. So she asked me to stay and she told me to sit anywhere. So I looked around and I noticed there wasn't a chair. A7 sus4. And that's all there is to it. Let me know how you get on in the comments, all that kind of stuff.